guys, welcome to MADHU'S culinary classic. Today's recipe is yummy and super tasty orange cupcake. Let's get started. Things required are 1 cup of maida,
260 ml of orange juice,
1/3 cup of hung curd, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, whipping cream powder, 1 pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 200 ml of milk. First, add 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk it nicely until it turns creamy. At this stage, we are going to add 1/3 cup of hung curd, 200 ml of orange juice, whisk it nicely. We are going to add 1 cup of maida, 1 pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well to avoid lumps. We are going to add 200 ml of milk, whisk it nicely. Now we are going to add food color. It's optional to add food color. Whisk it nicely. Now grease the cup and add 1/4 cup of prepared cake batter. Preheat the cooker for about 10 minutes at moderate heat and place the prepared cake batter. Steam it for about 10 minutes at moderate heat. For whipping cream, we are going to take 50 gram of whipping cream powder, add 60 ml of orange juice, whisk it nicely until it turns creamy. Refrigerate the cream for about 30 minutes. Now in a piping bag, we are filling the cream to ice the cake. Here our yummy and super tasty orange cake is ready to serve. Watch the next video, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below your favorite cake recipe. Bye!